A blinking green light on your Rogers gateway indicates that it's trying to establish or maintain an internet connection. A solid green light means you have a stable connection. The blinking can mean the modem is synchronizing with Rogers' network, there's a firmware update in progress, or there are upstream issues. It's a common issue affecting about 15 to 20% of Rogers' internet subscribers, especially in areas with network congestion. In short, it means your internet isn't fully connected and is attempting to connect. Start with a power cycle, the most common first step. Unplug your modem for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, check all connections. Ensure coaxial and Ethernet cables are securely connected to both the gateway and the wall. Run diagnostics through the Rogers app or My Rogers website. They often provide automated fixes or identify the specific problem. If the above steps don't work, contact Rogers support. They can check for outages in your area or further troubleshoot your device. Avoid factory resets unless instructed, as they can void your warranty. Replacing faulty cables or splitters may also help.